the life of my mom. She was a truly amazing woman who was the kindest and most loving person in the world. I can honestly say she was my best friend, and to try and do justice right in her short eulogy will be impossible. She dedicated her life to family and making sure we were supported in whatever we did, that we never felt anything other than love. She sacrificed more than I'll ever know, and even when she was putting everyone else before herself, she still made time to listen to all our problems. Everyone who was fortunate enough to know her was in awe of everything she became, and the warmth and happiness she brought to us cannot be overstated. I love her more than words could possibly say, and she will live in my heart forevermore. My mom could be a lawyer. She loves to argue too. But don't debate with her. The loser will definitely be you. To my dearest mother, I feel honored and privileged to have been your daughter. You always loved me unconditionally and were the best mother anyone could wish for. God has turned my and our family tears of pain into tears of joy. Kulang po yung pasasalamat sa lahat ng effort, simula sa kaibigan, sa kapamilya, sa support financially, physically, spiritually. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, mula sa kapatid ko, sa pamilya namin. Lahat po kayo naging bahagi ng buhay ng nanay ko for 72 years. Lahat ng iyon, proud ako kasi naging mabuti siyang kapatid, naging mabuti siyang nanay, kaibigan, at saka lola. Ngayon, pinagkakatiwala ko na kay Lord yung buhay niya doon kasi mas magiging mabuti na po siya doon. Ngayon pa lang, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat kasi nakikita ko kung gano'n yung kamahal ang nanay. Yun lang po.